a quarter panel, boy. You gotta get that shit. Man, that gotta get bondo.
Can't you take off this fender and just pop it off?
Might be able to get the dent.
Turn it up, K-Rock.
What it do, gang? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video, man. We is over here at the other house. We got my son building this car right now, man. Telling his ass pull it out the garage. He just put the fresh, crispy black grill on here. I gotta show y'all everything he done to the Dotmobile. Get this lick up out of there. He done painted the wheels. Damn, dude. Put a dent in there. Man, what the hell? Where the hell you get that dent from, dude?
What, on the side right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think somebody was leaning against my car.
This dude here, you got back. Y'all see how my son taking care of the Impala, right?
I'm gonna just buy a whole new bumper.
Nigga, this ain't no bumper. This a quarter panel, boy. You gotta get that shit. Man, that gotta get bondo.
Can't you take off this fender and just pop it off?
Might be able to get the dentless paint remover, dude. I try to tell him to just chill and ride now, man. He's gonna have to just use this until you get another car. Told him don't put no money in there. He installed this grill on here, but right now you just gotta, I feel like you should just drive it until you save up to get something better. Use it as a point A to point B mobile. This motherfucking leaking, what you call it too? Transmission fluid in the garage. Or oil, one of the two. Man.
That's my car?
Yeah, that's your shit. This dude done took the whole car apart. It was hard.
The whole bumper had to come on by to take everything from the fender at the bottom off. And I had to go on the inside and take off the screws.
I bet you missing 20 screws too. No, you ain't put all them screws back.
I ain't put them all.
He gonna drive down the street, whole damn bumper gonna fly off. Don't call me, dude. You gotta put them screws back.
I want to cut them out of this car. Because, like I told him, this is my first car, so I just want to put my all into it. Even if it is messed up, eventually it's gonna get there.
I mean, you could fix it up, but it ain't. It's a decent car, but as far as investing money, I don't think you should, because even though it's your first car, it's just like the transmission and shit, you know, shit like that. You're gonna end up spending way more just getting a different car. It's cool for now. Just drive it and get to the money, man. Get something better. Here you go, man. This dude is talking about putting the V8. It ain't that easy, man. It ain't that easy.
Engine and the transmission.
It ain't that easy. It ain't gonna work. It don't work like that. Yeah, all right. This dude here, man. I don't care what you do. Don't park this raggedy motherfucker back in the garage next to my shit. Oh, Dee stunting on you now. She just got her license too. She gonna be swerving on you. Y'all got the same color. Chevy gang in the driveway, man. There's Chevys everywhere, guys. Nothing but Chevys in my driveway. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my son YouTube channel. But y'all already know what's going on, man. Look, oh, you did something else too. Keep pointing out stuff. Man, you the back. What the hell you backed into? This dude here, man. I don't care what you do, bro. I'm finna give you this title. You about to take this motherfucker out by day. Anything you do, coming back on junior, not senior, junior, not me. Hell no. Man, we ain't start this thing up in a minute, guys. You still pull your Impala out over there. I'm gonna pull the SS out. You can check my shit. Make sure you ain't smacked it with your damn door. Uh-oh. Chevy gang. Chevy gang. Get the old SS up out of here, man. Hey. Gotta go through all this. I found the tail lights. The back tail, the rear tail lights is over there somewhere. So I don't even need this no more if I change them. I just been lazy. Ooh, look at that. Heavy motor. Heavy, real heavy. Oh shit, what's this? Man, look like I'm running low on coolant. Oh, I gotta take care of that. I don't even really want to start it up. Make sure this thing ain't leaking coolant. I gotta get some coolant. See some over here though. Have to get that checked out. Might have to go to Sammy's. See what's going on. Dusty. Make sure when I pull off, I ain't nothing leaking under the bottom. It's been a minute. Let's get that cold start, guys. It's been a minute. Gotta get that cold start. Let me see. Y'all never get it right with the remote. Man, that red just glistening. See, you keep playing me. I don't know why. Want to capture this cold start. Hopefully ain't no damn fluids gonna leak out of this. Low, but I see it with all this new shit. I don't know what the hell going on, guys. I really just don't know what's going on up under here. Hey, but it's looking good. It sounds good though. Want to let it run for a little bit. Pull out that red beast. Man, it's so hard, guys. I love this car. I'm taking this back to the house. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring Becky over here because I don't drive it. I'm taking the SS back home, guys. The SS belongs with me. Yeah. Where you going? All right. Look at that gold hitting. Tell me the Scat Pack wouldn't be nasty with like a red and black theme like this. Come on, man. I just don't want to do outrageous on there. Just get a lot. It's not a wild car. Like the Scat Pack is clean to me. It's not something like Becky where you go wild and crazy. The SS is done perfect. It's not overkill. Look at this thing. I should have been I got some floating caps in my drawer at home. I should get them put on there. But yeah, guys, it's not overdone. It's not overkill in here. Like everything flow. Look how the door panels just flow with everything, man. I ain't never getting rid of this car. Ever. Everything just fit and flow perfect. This is like one of my finest creations right here. Just look how wet it is. Look. It's gonna be hard for me to top this one because it's just simple and turned out so perfect. Man, that thing hit. That's right. That bark a little low today, ain't it? But anyway, crash test man. Tell them your new YouTube channel. I told you to delete the old one because it pop up. You don't need it no more. Just disable it.
It's a blue emoji.
ZYE, guys. I'm just gonna drop it right here so y'all can subscribe to my son's channel. Operation Stop Mobile Build. Trying to get him to stop. You know, trying to help him with his YouTube, where he should be up there already. You know, just got to keep him motivated so he can get his grind. Now he can be young and doing what I'm doing. What it took me a whole lot of years to get to this point, but now I can open that door for him and he can get his grind on, man. He just got to surround himself with some people that want to grind with him. But anyway, guys, this your boy CJ on 32s, checking out with another video. I'm out, man. Gang.